Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to merge two Facebook pages. Before we begin, make sure to check out the latest software offer below this video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Facebook on your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page you want to manage. In my case, I've already logged into my Facebook page and I'm on the main interface of the page. Next, we need to go into the settings. To do this, click on your account icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down, choose Settings, and then find the section for New Pages Experience. In this area, you would typically find the option to merge your pages. However, after checking, I noticed that the merge option isn't available under this new layout. But don't worry, Facebook still offers an alternative way to merge pages. Here's what you need to do. Go to facebook.com/pages/slmerge. On this page, you'll have the option to select both the source and destination pages for merging. The source page is the one that will be deleted after the merge, and all its content will be transferred to the destination page. Now, there are a few important things to note before proceeding. First, you can only merge pages if you're an admin of both pages. So, if you're not already an admin, make sure to set that up beforehand. Second, the pages you want to merge must have identical names. You can't merge pages with different names. Also, keep in mind that once the merge process is complete, it can't be undone. The source page will be permanently deleted, and some content like posts, photos, and the username will be removed during the merge. If you want to know more about which data will remain and which will be lost, there's a link on the page where you can learn more about how to save content from the pages before merging. Once you've selected both pages, just click on Continue and proceed to submit your request. After that, you'll need to wait for Facebook to process your request and get back to you with the outcome. And that's it! Once everything's processed, your pages will be merged. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.